Namaste and thanks for checking out this video. I am Curious CA, analyzing the latest updates for you. Today, we would summarize the latest Supreme Court ruling on claiming pre-GST accumulated input tax credit or ITC. Let's go a step back to understand the background of the ruling. Actually, the taxpayers were unable to file Form GST TRAN 1 within the due date prescribed under Rule 117 of the Central Goods and Services Tax Rules, 2017, CGST Rules, to carry forward accumulated input tax credits accrued in the pre-GST indirect tax regime, resulting in denial of credits due to them. The revenue filed SLP before the Supreme Court, as various high courts have allowed writ petitions filed by the registered taxpayers, seeking directions to avail transitional credit beyond time limit in the GST law. In a landmark decision, the Supreme Court allowed all affected taxpayers to claim accumulated ITC accrued in the pre-GST indirect tax regime in 60 days ending October 30. Supreme Court directed GST Network portal to provide facility for all assessors to claim transitional credit from September 1 till October 30. The Supreme Court said disposers of batch of 400 appeals, all such assessors, which analysts said may be in thousands, can claim the benefit whether they have filed writ petition or not. The court has given 90 days to officers thereafter to verify the claim of credit on merits and pass appropriate order. The Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs have been asked to issue relevant directions to field officers. The transitional credits are vested rights, and these developments will help thousands of taxpayers across the country who were struggling to get the credit with respect to transitional rights due to technical or non-technical glitches, said Abhishek A. Rastogi, partner at Khetan & Company, who was representing and arguing for the taxpayers. Thus, the Apex Court has allowed all registered taxpayers to claim transitional credit for 60 days, preferably from the 1st of September 2022 till 30th October 2022. Hope you find this useful. If yes, do like and share the video and subscribe to my channel CA Curious for more such content.